Written in these walls are stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here for days. Yeah, yeah.
Can you say something? Be the narrator.
Why would you do this angle, Olivia? It's just like, just hair. It's like, I don't know how it's gonna go. Low key, I'm kind of scared to be honest. It's like a Ryanair situation or not. Let's give it a try. Wow, our seats are pretty lit. I hope we're gonna get food because we didn't have breakfast. Do we?
We're not getting food.
We're probably not gonna get food, but I'm gonna tell myself we'll get food because I'm pretty hungry.
Okay. Why don't you eat anything?
Well, we have to fucking wake up at 7. What do you mean? But I'm excited for dogs. I'm excited for food. I'm excited for food. Let's get the party started.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. You think that I'm crazy, you think that I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in my cage. Woke up in the morning and we see the light upon the hill. Yeah. Although I am broken, my heart is still.
Who told you can come into my shot?
I'll be gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding you so tight. Nothing in between.
70 people.
You're like having a
Can we get into that bush?
I low-key want to get into the bush. What the fuck, is that like a party?
What are they doing in there? Everyone's pointing at them. Oh, they're clearly cooler than us. Okay.
What's up? What the fuck is...
I want to go into a bush like that. Are you just gonna stare at it for a while?
Try it.
Look at the road.
Allowances, finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my if I quit your BM, I still rap Mercedes phone. If I quit this season, I still beat the
How we can drift.
How about we're going shopping?
Let's go.
This vlog is me like literally all driving. Realize
No, you don't.
I literally keep filming. Hey guys, so it's Sunday afternoon and we're just driving through Vienna. We're gonna go have dinner soon, even though I'm full because we ate at this place, but I didn't record it. And right now we're just driving back to my friend's house. So
What do you say? Your friend's house?
yeah.
Wow, so I'm not even getting a name. I'm just like a number. I'm useless. Well.
He's not useless. His
Which
name
number
is
I'm
Christopher.
like 2.
He's
I'm your second best choice.
He's my number 1, actually.
Hope so.
Okay, bye guys. It's a car vlog!
and like really press against it.
Make sure you look at the rose. We're getting copyrighted, but it's fine.
You just stick it, you know, you need to press it against the glass or the plastic.
It's good, you know.
And tease it and squeeze it when my piggyback is hungry, my nigga. You need to beat it. If the text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ayy, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary.
Tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Wednesday world with my pay stub. Ooh, that pussy good. Once you sit it on my taste buds, I get way too petty once you let me do the extras. Pull up on your block, then break it down. We playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. They keep it on the high note. It's like it's doing you and I know, bitch, be on.
Look at the rose.
Got that dope. Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took her out, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand. She love bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover.
Radio, one life lounge in the mix. Oh, oh, Rudimental's changing it. Radio, one life lounge.
I'm friends with a monster. It's under my bed. Get along.
Yes, I'm serious. Can you say something for the vlog?
It's pretty early, pretty damn early. It was a good trip.
I thought it was a great trip, no?
Yeah, it was a great trip.
Good.